Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. In this lecture, we shall see how timers work and how we can handle timer modes 1 and 2. Timer starts when TR bit of TCON register is set. TR0 bit is used to start or stop timer 0 while TR1 bit is used for timer 1. Timer starts counting from 0 or from preloaded value and counts up to maximum limit. This maximum limit is hexadecimal FF for 8-bit timer counter mode and hexadecimal FFFF for 16-bit timer counter mode. Timer flag bit is set after timer reaches maximum count and rolls over. Both timer 0 and 1 have separate flag bits. TF0 is flag for timer 0 while TF1 is flag for timer 1. User program clears timer flag bit and timer may be stopped by clearing TR bit. We shall see this sequence once again after a while. As I explained before, there are 4 timer modes selected from TMOD register. Mode 0 is 13-bit timer counter mode. In this mode, only 13 bits are used by timer while other 3 bits are useless. Mode 1 is 16-bit timer counter mode. In this mode, 2 8-bit registers of timers are cascaded and all 16 bits are used for counting. Mode 2 is 8-bit timer counter mode. In this mode, 8 bits are used for counting and other 8 bits hold reload value. Mode 3 is split timer mode. In this mode, 16 bits of timer 0 are divided in 2 independent 8-bit timers. TL0 register takes over timer 0 while TH0 register takes over timer 1. That means when we use split timer mode, we cannot control real timer 1. Out of these 4 modes, only mode 1 and 2 are of prime importance. Mode 0 and mode 3 are not common. We shall see mode 1 and mode 2 in detail. In this mode, 2 8-bit registers of timers are cascaded and all 16 bits are used for counting. Let's have a look on sequence of operations performed for handling timers in mode 1. From TMOD register, select mode 1. Write TH and TL registers with some initial values. I'll explain later how we can calculate these values easily. Now set TR bit of TCON register for starting timer. When timer starts, it will count from initially loaded value to maximum limit. After that, it will roll over and TF bit will be set. User program should clear this flag bit. Now if we need to restart timer from initial value, timer should be stopped by clearing TR bit and we go back to step 2. Now let's have a look on timer mode 2. As I explained before, mode 2 has auto reload feature. In this mode, timer can count up to hexadecimal FF. TL is used for counting while TH holds reload value. Let's have a look on sequence of operations performed for handling timer mode 2. Select mode 2 from TMOD register. Write reload value to TH register. Start timer by setting TR bit of TCON register. Timer starts counting from reload value and counts up to maximum limit, that is hexadecimal FF. When timer rolls over from maximum count, timer flag is set. User program should clear timer flag bit. TH value is now automatically copied to TL register and timer continues counting from this preloaded value. User can stop timer by clearing TR bit or can go back to step 5. From this sequence of operations, you may have noticed that handling timer 2 is very simple. Once you have configured and started timer in mode 2, you only need following steps for handling it. Monitor overflow flag, clear flag after it is set. That's all. If you are unable to understand something from this lecture, don't worry. Everything will be clear when we shall write program for handling timers in next lecture. Stay tuned.